Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play A Million Dreams on the ukulele. We'll start by learning the 5 main chords you'll need: G, D, M, C, and M. These are fundamental for many songs and will form the backbone of our tune. Focus on transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes a day, will make a big difference in your progress. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A great easy pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand loose and relax to avoid any tension. Focus on maintaining a steady, even rhythm as you play, counting out loud if it helps. Practice this pattern slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed until it feels natural and comfortable. Understanding the song's structure will help you put everything together effectively. A Million Dreams has clear verse, chorus, and bridge sections. Practice each part individually until you feel completely confident, then try linking them. Using a metronome is highly recommended. It will significantly improve your timing and help you stay consistent throughout the entire song. Remember, patience and repetition are key to mastering any piece. Now it's time to bring it all together. Combine the chords you've learned with the strumming pattern, aiming for seamless transitions between each change. Singing along can really help with your timing and overall musicality, even if you're just humming the melody. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Most importantly, have fun playing this wonderful and inspiring song on your ukulele.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.